Today, I want to show you some impatiens that we have in our backyard, and since Zoe decided to come into the camera with me, she wants to show it too. But these are impatiens. These are just the bedding plant impatiens. But we had an area here that we really haven't done anything, and we decided, you know what, we're going to plant these with some Beacon impatiens, and look how fantastic they turned out. So the Beacons get really big. So normally about 18 inches tall. These, I just measured, they're about 26 inches tall. They really fill this out. So these have the genetic, they've been bred so that they can be much better performers, and some of those problems that you have in the past with like powdery mildew, we haven't had any issues at all. So that's the point, is if you've had trouble in the past, try impatiens again. Don't give up on them, especially like the Beacon or the Amara series. They've really come a long ways and can perform with fantastic results. So we went through this area and we have a before and after video. Take a look at that. It's on our YouTube channel. It's in the shorts. These were cut down. We went through and just cut them down with a hedge trimmer. And I really want you to check that out because they were just little sticks. But you can see what the proof in the pudding is when we trim those back, they really fill out and they have that capacity to fill in and stretch up here. So this is a shade area on our house. So it gets maybe little peaks of morning sun. So you definitely want to have an area that it's much more shade. They will dry down and burn up in the sun, so make sure that you have enough shade throughout the day. We keep them moist and we fertilize them pretty much on a constant feed now. So at least once a week with the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer, but my hanging baskets get a constant feed. And what I mean by that is they're a 1/3 to half strength, so it's a little bit lower dose, but you can see that the results with the nutrients, when these plants are getting their nutrients, they're gonna fill in and have that growth, and the flowers are gonna be profuse. So these are coming along great. We've planted these maybe a month and a half ago, and they performed awesome all summer long. Now, we haven't had any issues with bunny rabbits or deer eating these. They've been eating my petunias, but thankfully they've left these alone. But again, if you've had trouble in the past with impatiens, try them again. The genetics have come a long ways, and if you have that shade area, give the bedding plant impatiens a try. You might really enjoy the results.